Jason Catron with the Vocal Lab Los Angeles, and today I'm so excited to post my first performance video. I'm actually going to perform for you. This is my first love. There's literally nothing I enjoy more than hopping on stage and singing songs. And I think it's highly important that as a coach, I be able to practice what I preach, that I be able to get up and perform a song live, that I'd be able to actually demonstrate well the exercises that I do day in and day out as a coach. So, a couple weeks ago in Oslo, Norway, after the Oscar Music Expo, I hopped up on stage with my good friend Philip and we sang a song, one of my all-time favorite songs by one of, if not my, favorite all-time singer, Frank Sinatra. This is My Way, and I hope you enjoy.
The end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I lived a life that's full, traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, I did all I had to do. I fixed it all without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway. More than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when I had doubts, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me, I did it my way. Take my Jason. What has man, what has he got, if not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of what he needs. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. dance.